Welcome back to another episode of Gardening and Farming, an introduction by Petranilla Estrada. Today's topic will look at safer food. As gardeners and farmers, you would know that safety begins from farm to table, and safe food means a healthier you. Therefore, keep clean. Wash your hands, fruits, and vegetables before storing and before preparation. Use gloves if you must, and dispose of them properly. Sanitize all surfaces and equipment used for food preparation, storage, transportation, and harvesting. Protect your foods from insects, rodents, and harmful chemicals. Ensure that you cook foods thoroughly, especially when it comes to meat, poultry, and seafood. When reheating, ensure all parts of the food is hot. Keep food at safe temperatures. And do not leave cooked food at room temperature for more than an hour or two. Refrigerate properly all cooked and perishable foods, and try to serve food while still hot. Store fruits and vegetables carefully at the right temperatures to prevent spoilage. You would save water and raw materials. Remember, you must wash your fruits and vegetables before eating or cooking. Do not use food beyond its expiry date. Separate raw from cooked food and use separate equipment and utensils such as knives for handling raw food. Remember, food is safe only when it is not contaminated with dangerous substances or germs that can make people sick, like different microbes and pesticides. We must all play our part. When food is safe, you are healthy.